Sales service analytic means to reduce the dependence of the business and the single person from somebody else doing analysis for them. So as I mentioned, mainly using Excel, going into a direction of having people capable to connect to a secure the data source and the answer to the question they need to answer.
The first is what we call audit operations, so everything that goes around the execution. So I'm talking about common processes. If we think about the risk assessment, if we think about the internal control system monitoring. So here, as an example, I can see that accounting and balance sheet management has a red color. So I can just click, go down, and see the lower level of this process layer. And then, if I'm interested to the reporting package, which is still the red one, I can still go down and see and have a quick overview on what are the risks that impact this process.